place at the SMS hospital in Jaipur. All right, we leave it there and we shift our focus to some breaking news coming in. The latest updates coming in, the Federation of Indian Pilots have written an email to the aviation body reiterating the need for a comprehensive inspection of the electrical systems of Boeing 787 aircraft operating in India. On this, the President of the Federation of Indian Pilots, Captain C.S. Randhawa, has given a statement. He stated that this comes after the incident on October 4th. Take a listen.
Mr. Manish Kumar, who's in charge of the air safety in DGCA, and we have marked the copies to DGCA, DGAIB, and the Secretary of Civil Aviation. The incident occurred on 4th of October on Boeing 787 aircraft. Registration was Victor Tango Alpha November Oscar. It was a flight from Amritsar to Birmingham. All systems were normal, the hydraulics, the electrical, and the engines were running properly. Even though everything was running properly, the ram air turbine deployed between 400 to 500 feet on approach at a low altitude. So nothing adverse happened and the aircraft landed safely. The aircraft has been grounded by Air India for further investigations.
My colleague Uneza joins us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Uneza, take our viewers through the details that we have with us as far as this letter by the Federation of Indian Pilots is concerned.
Yeah, the Federation of Indian Pilots has raised a serious issue about Boeing 787 aircraft after an unusual incident happened involving an Air India flight from Amritsar to Birmingham on October 4th. And according to this issue, Captain C.S. Randhawa, the ram turbine, has emergency device that deploys only in case of major system failures. That unexpectedly deploys between 400 to 500 feet during landing, even though all systems were functioning normally. So then the aircraft landed safely and has been grounded for investigation. The pilot's body has written to DGCA officials urging a thorough inspection of the electrical system of Boeing 7, all 787s operating in India. And also Captain Randhawa said that this is the first such incident in his 50 years of aviation career experience. And we also want that such incidents should be treated very seriously to prevent future accidents. And upon this, the final investigation report by the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau is expected in the month of December.
Absolutely. Uneza, also help us understand why this letter has been penned. We've of course seen multiple incidents unfold in the recent past. Help us understand why this holds so much merit.
Yeah, see, this has raised serious concern because of the flights being crashed. We have the biggest example of Ahmedabad crash, and a lot of Boeings are, taking serious concern about the safety. So, because of the safety concern, this letter has been issued, and we are noticing the small, bird hitting to the aircraft or something or the other incidents are reportedly being reported during these 6 months of time. So these are the main concerns for the safety.
Absolutely. Uneza, hold on. We're being joined by Captain Surjit Panesar, aviation expert, with us on the broadcast. Thank you for your time speaking to us on NewsX. I'd like to understand from you, what essentially do you make of this letter that has been penned by the Federation of Indian Pilots? Do you think it holds a lot of merit considering the developments that have taken place in the recent past?
Well, ma'am, let me tell you, this accident at Ahmedabad took place on 12th of June. On 14th of June, I wrote a letter to the petition to Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India. Let there be judicial inquiry in this accident. About 250 people died. I said, because the team which is made by the Government of India, Ministry of Civil Aviation, is our Secretary Civil Ministry of Home Affairs, Secretary Civil Aviation, DGCA, Police Commissioner, Inspector General who passes around that. They have no experience of investigation and incident and accident. What are they going to find out? They are only going to blame the pilot because they are dead. Dead people don't come out and defend themselves. Now, I am grateful to the Federation Indian pilots. They should have immediately risen to the occasion and taken up this issue. Let there be judicial inquiry. All the professionals who are aware of this incident accident should take part in this investigation. And the idea of investigation is to find out the truth of the case, how this accident has taken place, and take measures, strong measures to stop such incidents in the future. But you see, the idea of the government is we don't know why they are not holding a judicial inquiry. One person dies on the roadside. There's a court of inquiry, a judge is appointed. Here 250 people have died, but there's no judicial inquiry into this. Because in a judicial inquiry, it's an open justification. They have to display the cockpit vice recorder, DFDM to the public. But in this inquiry, they will not show anything to the public. So how do you get the truth of the case? You cannot find out the truth, how this accident has taken place. I have also come to know one American attorney, they are taking up this case, they found out this particular aircraft has 6 times the same flags earlier. Why Boeing has Air India not taken up with the Boeing company? It's a very serious accident which has shaken up the whole world. It's a new high-tech aircraft. Boeing is dealing with this accident. It's a matter of grave concern. It's a high time we should take up the judicial inquiry, open inquiry, let professionals come and give their opinion how to avoid such incidents in the future. That's my opinion. But it's great that at least the National Indian Pilot have risen after some time and take up the issue with the Ministry of Civil Aviation. It's never too late. You can start the judicial inquiry even tomorrow. What is wrong with this? We are not against the aviation. We are not against DGCA. We are not against DGCA. But we only want to find the truth of the accident, how this accident has taken place.
Right, absolutely. With that, I'd like to thank you for joining us and sharing your perspectives with us on NewsX.